Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Fuzzy from Fuzzy's Ghost Models here, coming to you with a blast from the past, as it were. Now, I have built this kit, I think at least 2 times, maybe 3 times in the past. It's the old venerable 48 scale box. Right now is a Revell Huey Hog. It's been the Huey Hog for quite a number of years under Monogram. Scalemates has this listed as first coming out in 1959. So this is how old this kit is. Some new parts came out in 1966 in the box, and it's been reboxed under Monogram and Revell and blah blah blah. This one brings back so many memories for me. I built one of these long time ago and had a great time with it. And then back in 1985, I think, I had my appendix out and was bedridden for a little bit while I recovered and built it again, because it's just a cool kit. And then with there's an online Vietnam group build going on right now, Vietnam War group build 2024. I had pulled this out as one of the possibilities. I still might build it up in addition to what I'm going to build for that. But let's just have a look at how the molds have continued on for the many years. This is older than I am, and I'm an old fart. So this thing is older than me. So let's have a look at the molds. Let's see what's improved, if anything. And yeah, let's dig into this box anyway, because this is really cool. All right, so comes in a box. It's got a little support to it because the box is kind of flimsy. The clear parts are the clear parts. I don't think these things have changed in the 60 years since it was put out. Pull the instructions out, pull that out. The decals, these are new. All right, so comes in one bag, one single bag. All the parts, all the plastic. We'll open it up and have a look. Yeah, we'll open up this side. All right. So we have 4 separate sprues of hard plastic and the rubberized stuff, which is new to this. This is not something they had in 1959. I remember them being solid plastic, and then the clear. So we'll start with the major thing. So this is basically the 2 fuselage halves. And I mean, it's 1959, so it's raised panel lines and raised rivets. But you know what? I think it still looks pretty good. If you really want to get adventurous, you could cut these out and put some mesh in there, some screen for the vent to go through on both sides. But oh, look at that, see? Zhongshan, so they've gone to molding them in China. Oh boy. Got a little bit of pretty badly worn mold of the interior padding for the noise, but considering the age of these things, that doesn't look too bad. Then there's some of the interior parts and the main rotors. They've got segmented sections, which I remember not being all that accurate. And seats with the seat belts, the rotor head assembly here, the rear wall of the compartment, the main compartment, the armored seats, and then the 2 figures that come with it. They're a little wonky, but they're, you know what? If you paint them up pretty good, they might not look too bad. I love how it says gray. This is not gray. Do not adjust your set. This is an olive green kind of plastic. And look at that. So yeah, we got ejector pin marks on the bottom of the rotors that will need to be sanded off, but I'm going to be sanding all this off anyway with these lines across. Yeah. There's the, I think those are supposed to be the collectives, and there's the rudder pedals. Yeah, it's definitely showing its age, but you know what? The nostalgia on this kit is a 9 out of 10, or maybe even a 10 out of 10 just for nostalgia. Not on quality, on nostalgia alone. I do want to build this up, and I know Matt from Scale Model Canucks, he wants to build this one as well. So this copyright on here says 1977. So that's when this one's made in China. This actually survived pretty good. The soundproofing on the roof, and then we flip it over, and there's the engine detail and the transaxle and all that, and rear rotor. There's the top of the ammunition for the guns on the side. And you can kind of see a little bit of the mold from the interior sort of coming through on that. I don't know if, I think a good coat of paint is gonna hide that pretty good. And there's the landing skids, and then the last solid plastic one has the supports for the weapons, the rockets. There's the front nose gun pod, the side mounted M60s, and then the ammunition belts, which these are supposed to replace. These vinyl things, I don't think they look very good. I think cleaning these up will look much better than these. So I don't know. Or maybe, did this even, hold on a sec. All right, let me correct. This is not from the kit. This is not from the kit. This is from an old MRC thing that I had thrown in, that I had left over from another kit. So this is from a different kit. So ignore this. Clear plastic. Main windscreen. The feet bubbles above the heads, the doors, and then I'm not sure what those are for on the inside, but looks pretty good. The destructions, right? Could probably do this one without looking at it. It's a pretty simple kit. Cockpit, engine, rotor assembly, sticking them all in the middle, putting the two halves together. Some of the front nose stuff, little greedlies on the outside, some of the stuff on the roof, and then weapons on the outside, the landing skid, and then the wonderful markings. Pretty cool. This is what the decal sheet looks like. So this one is from 2008. Still looks pretty good. Yeah. Pretty basic. It is what it is. It's the ancient Monogram / Revell kit, and I love this kit. I think basically it's a B model, I believe. Huey. The original box art I think was better than this. This is pretty hokey, but I can't wait to build this one up. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it to improve it. I do have maybe a tail rotor from ResKit that I can use. Maybe replace the M60s on the side. They're pretty. Let's look at them again. They're pretty basic, right? If we look at them, let's get that to focus. See, they're pretty. There's pretty. Lacking detail, lots of flash on them, so I don't know if I can find a replacement for them, and the rocket launchers too. The belts are pretty good. I think I can work with those. I can clean those up to make them look pretty decent. But anyway, that's a quick in the box review of this Huey Hog. Great memories from this kit. Absolutely great memories. I can't wait to dig into this one. It's you know, again, the memories are, the nostalgia factor is through the roof. Anyway, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit a like, leave a comment. Have you built this one before? How many times have you built it? Are you looking at it going, oh, that's an old kit, I don't want to bother with that? I think the only other one that comes close is the now out of production Huey Hog, which is a D, which isn't this model. I don't think there's another one, a B/C. Oh, sorry. I think Hobby Boss makes a C. I don't know how it compares. Maybe that would be a good build video. But I'm going to build this one up and see how it looks. I just love this. While I'm doing that, I need coffee because I'm a shift worker and working shifts sucks, messes with your mind, messes with your body, so I consume a lot of coffee. So if you want, please buy me a coffee. The link's in the description down below. Other than that, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. It's Fuzzy saying ciao.